Anthony, what the hell are you doing?
Okay, this is my felt base bike. We have the felt base frame, Odyssey Purple Rain rims, and an Odyssey Purple Rain V2 cassette hub in the back. Tree stick pegs, KMC crazy chain, animal sprocket with Odyssey Purple Rain 12 bolt cranks, and Odyssey twisted pedals. I have a Kink Super Stump seat post, a pivotal, dual Royal Status seat, animal seat clamp. Up top I got the Kink Empire forks, Kink Relief stem, the Kramer felt bars Junior, Odyssey Griswold grips with animal bar ends, Odyssey Purple Rain brake lever. In the front I have another Purple Rain rim with a Vandro 2 hub and just regular spokes. I got the Odyssey Evo 2 brakes, Animal ASM tire in the back, and then a Fit FAF tire in the front. And that's about it. That's my bike.